Running! Hi, so it's Monday today. I had to go to school. It's freaking raining, like look outside. Yeah, you can't see anything, but anyway, I decided to film my whole week. I hope you enjoyed. Today I'll go to school and then we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go change and go to school. I'm feeling different. Great. Love this. Yeah, oh my god. Yeah, I really want to pause as well. I'm vlogging. I'm vlogging.
You are? What do you want to say? I got nothing.
I wish I was
Ahoy!
a little more delicate.
What are you doing?
Je suis mal à l'aise.
What?
Je travaille, qu'est-ce que tu veux que je fasse?
I don't know. This is really like I'm trying to make a really quality content.
Yeah.
Hi. So this is so weird. I feel like everybody can hear me. But anyway, I just got home. Today was I don't know about today. I mean, I woke up and it was raining, so my way to school was really bad. So I got to school and like I was soaked. It was so terrible. In school I had gym and we did the beep test, which is like running back and forth in the gym. It was terrible. I hated that. Then we had contemp, which was actually the worst class, like that because like one of the students started like really misbehaving and the teacher didn't do anything about it and it was just really awkward and uncomfortable to be there. So yeah, I think now we're going to cook some dinner with my aunt. Yeah, anyway, that's it. C'est pas mon vlog, donc ouais. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Do you know how it's called? Medley cake. This looks so freaking good.
With a faint taste of cigarettes, you write hallelujah songs. Ain't it funny, the feeling alright, so you tickle up my backbone.
Got my butt in there. What?
And at the break of day, sink into a dream. And at the break,
where did we just came from? It looked like two tomatoes.
Can you edit like a picture of a tomato in?
Yeah, here. It's freaking cold, oh my god. But I'm riding home. Today was actually a good day. I had drama and yoga. At lunch we took like pictures of the whole grade. And after school I had running courses, which was great too. And now I got home and that's it. Okay, so this is my outfit. It's pretty simple. It's like crop top and pants. It's a cute backpack. But yeah, let's go to school. Oh my god, this is wow.
Squirrel, I've been seeing you around my house.
What are we doing? Eating
Mr. Squirrel, I've been watching you hard at work. I've been following.
Okay, so I just got home. I just ate like the biggest shawarma there is. But yeah, today wasn't a bad day. That's always good. So after school I went with my friends to get shawarma and now I got home. I'll probably take a nap because I'm really tired. And then I will go to Scouts with Colin, who's staying here too. But yeah, anyway, I'll talk to you later. Where are we going?
Au scout. Je parlais que français, je vous emmerde.
Oh, okay.
Avec le stup. Avec la police.
What? C'est pour les children.
Ah, c'est pour les children, ok, pardon.
You're so stupid.
voir la faire.
You're so funny.
Yes. Avec Marc-Antoine, je crois qu'il s'appelle.
What? How was it? I did something with my hand.
I'm supposed to do. And I've tried to join you up in.
Okay, so I just took a shower. Scouts was fun. I did something with my hand. Like now it's super good, but like a few hours ago I had to like put ice on it and now it's okay. But yeah, anyway, today was a good day. I'm super full right now because I had like the biggest dinner ever. But yeah, anyway, I will go to bed and see you tomorrow. Let's do this again. I love this.
50 states,
Wow.
50 lines,
fucking raining.
50 crying all the times, 50
What are we doing?
Faites du project.
Thank you.
I'm gonna change my mind.
Glossier. I'm Natalie, and I'm going to show you my Glossier. It smells like Timbits. If you live in Canada, it smells like birthday cake Timbits. Bye.
Okay, yo, why are you so close?
Why is
Is it gone? Is it floating in the air?
It's in the background, just drinking. Normal. We're making these cookies, by the way.
And there's kisses on the top. I can crack really good eggs.
Okay.
No, that never happens to me.
Like, I can crack really good eggs because I just take it after.
What was the vegetable oil?
She went down here. Like vegetable oil, it's what color again? Green?
No, that's balsamic.
It
smells like Reese's.
And me and Natalie love Reese's Pieces.
Yeah. What do you mean? This virgin oil. Is that what it's called?
Vegetable oil. Wow.
That was so funny. She's a YouTuber. Come on, professional.
Oh yeah, YouTuber.
I wish my
Anything else? That's it? That's it.
That's it.
Whoa. Wow.
Yeah. How did you have a cookie?
Yeah. Oh my god, Natalie. Look at this. It doesn't look good.
Yay! You do that too?
Whoa. Is it just me who got really excited for this now?
They're so big.
Paige, stop eating them. You have to eat them with milk. This looks so big. Okay, so I'm riding home. It was actually so fun. We made cookies, as you saw, and we just talked for a long time. But anyway, I'm going home now, and I will talk to you there. Oh my god, do you see that? This looks like straight out from Lion King or something. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So pretty. Okay, I just got home, and now I'm going to help with cooking.
Now I'm feeling
Hey!
This is so comfortable. I can do this all day.
I'm going to have a look around.
times. What are you doing? Wasted.
Today's Friday. Okay, so I literally fell asleep yesterday when we were watching the movie. But yesterday was a really good day. Like, I don't know, school was fun. And we made cookies with Paula and Paige. Then we watched a movie. It was good. Life's good. But today is the global demonstration for the climate change, the Fridays for Future. So I skipped school to go there. I'm going to an escape room today, like in the night. And I don't know what I'm gonna do in between, so I'm gonna see. I just got ready.
And at the break
so
of day,
beautiful.
we sink into our dream. You dream of, 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 you dream of. On a day by a chocolate lake down by the rotary. Past town at the edge, looking down at butterflies.
You want tomato?
Oh my god. So I just got home. As you can see from the way I look, I'm freaking tired. The protest was so good, but I brought my laptop with me and my camera because I wanted to edit something like after it ended, but I didn't because I was too tired, so I just like carried my laptop for nothing for 4 hours. So yeah, but it was really good. Great energy, you know, a lot of shouting people. Normal. What is this lighting doing? Is this better? Am I too white? That sounded stupid. Well, anyway, I think I'm going to take a quick nap or just like lay in my bed because I just want to, you know. And then I think I'm gonna make a tiramisu with my aunt because like our friend is having a birthday, so I want to make a tiramisu for her. And then I'm going to go with my friends to an escape room. We'll see how that will go, but yeah. Oh, this is my outfit. Oh, this lighting is beautiful, but it's the same that I showed you in this video. Go check it out. Fine, by the way. But yeah, what was I saying? Oh my god, I have to go take a nap. I'll talk to you later.
50 lies, 50 I'm gonna change my mind, change my mind, change my mind. And now I'm feeling different.
We love this. It's a video.
Oh my god.
Where are we going?
An escape room.
Thank you.
How do we do?
Yeah.
We did good. Kinda.
No, we lost.
Now I'm feeling different.
And I look really, really beautiful right now. But I was running today in the rain. I don't know what is happening to me, but I literally, like, I decided, I wasn't pressured or anything. I decided to go running and it was raining. I don't know what is happening to me. I'm a whole new person. Yeah, but anyway, yesterday we came from the escape room. It was really good. We didn't win though, so that was the only, like, you know, we still did good, I think. Like, yeah, so then I got home and I ate. Wow, like if you made it to this part of the video, congrats. I feel like these videos are so boring, but anyway, this week was really fun. I mean, I got this, my hand is blue. Oh my god, I think I didn't show you, but yeah, my hand got like super blue, but it doesn't hurt anymore, or like it hurts when I touch it, so it hurts. But I mean, like, it doesn't hurt so much as it used to, so that's always a good thing. And yeah, I made so many memories. I mean, I don't know. It was a great week, okay? I don't know what I'm supposed to say, but yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like if you did, and subscribe because it makes me really happy. And yeah, I will see you next Tuesday. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, bye.
Care, is it gone?